welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLB, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro, just this old ho. How are you guys today? I'm having a little bit, I'll preface this video by saying I did my workout this morning, twisted my ankle. Yeah, lunges are hard and you know, it's a lot of weight on one ankle. I'm not 30 again, but I sure feel like I can do 30-year-old things, but no. Then my ankle says, snap! Snap back, bitch! You can't do nothing! So, that happened. And also, I got out of the shower. Yeah, I know, I took a shower. Weird. And my eye started just continuously pouring water. So I've taken a Benadryl. Let's hope it kicks in. If not, we'll take 2 or 3 more. Why not? I'm not driving anywhere, right? Okay, guys. Okay. I know I've been promising you a Coach mini haul with an MCM reveal. And I'm totally going to do that. And I want to show you what Devin got me for my birthday too. But I want to save it all for that one video. But I have to tell you, you know when they come along and they do, well, those of you that remember TV, they used to break in, we've got a special bulletin. That's what this episode is. Okay, that's what this video is. What am I, Walter friggin' Cronkite? No, okay. But I have a special episode of unboxing to do today. Special unboxing. Why didn't I just say that? I don't know, because my eye and the Benadryl and the ankle is just all making me crazy. I'm giddy with friggin' joy. Okay. Remember this unboxing? I guess you already know what it is from the thumbnail. Duh. What I'm doing today. But remember, I just kept longing for its mother to come, or its older sister. It's like Barbie and Skipper. So this being Skipper, and now we have to have Barbie, of course. What? I could never play Barbies with just Skipper. That's not even fun. What? No. Who's she gonna flirt around with and have a lesbian experience with? Like, there needs to be more than one Barbie girl. Okay, anyway. I don't know what your all's Barbies did, but mine did everything. So I have the box. Here's how it all went down. I know you guys are like, just open the box. Brad Pitting me. Okay. As I wipe away tears from this one eyeball, this one weeping allergistic eye. Okay. What had happened was, you know that scene in Christmas Story where, the guys are like, I double dog dare you. Okay, so I felt like Yota and Autumn double dog dare me to ask Becca, the Louis Vuitton SA, to find me the SPEEDY 20. So I was like, I'll do it, girl. And they were like, well, go ahead. And I was like, well, watch me. I'll do it. And so then I did it. Less than 24 hours after I asked Becca to find me this bag, Becca called me and said, I found you this bag. I was like, wait, what? Okay, needless to say, I got it, and now all of my purse fund, both my purse funds, I had a very small one and then one that was substantial but now has nothing, is depleted. It's gone. She's gone. But I have to tell you, I really just, it was like this obsession and that obsession. I just couldn't see anything until I got, okay, here's the unboxing, guys. All right. I can't, I'm excited. Let me wipe away my teary eyeball. I know it's going to be tears of joy anyway, so this is going to be all right. It's going to be fine. You got your box. Girl, you got your box. Hold on. Yeah. Got your little card. What? Here she goes. Oh, man. I'm so friggin' excited. Okay, guys. Oh, snap. Here she is. Do you believe I got it? I mean, I'm blown. My mind is blown. You know what I mean. Oh, God, let me give her a Autumn Beckman shuffle, spin, shuffle ball, turn, boom, boom. Okay, I'm loving. I'm so giddy with excitement right now. Look at how she zips. Those corners, fixed. They said, you know what? No more tiny, tiny holes. You guys want tiny holes? No. Nobody wants that. Okay, scratch that. Sometimes you do, but... What? Oh, Becca. Let me do... This is an actual tear, not my weepy allergistic eye. I'm so freaking excited. I have that thing. Must be my allergies. Becca gave me some samples. Cactus Garden. I think that's Autumn's favorite. Imagination. Imagination. Yeah. My husband's going to like that. Or maybe I will. I don't know. And Etoile Filante. I don't know how you say it, but I got that one because that's the one I really wanted to try. But girl. Oh, I'm so... Here's my keys because my lock is right here. OMG. She's red. Here's the best part. Okay. Guys, you know I have been on an obsession with bags that have a beautiful strap. I bought that Marc Jacobs bag saying it was for my camera. Wink, wink. It was actually for me. Anyway, and I also bought the Coach bag, which I am carrying right now, and I am too lazy to go downstairs and get it for you, but it has that beautiful... When these straps were shown, I think when Foxy LV revealed this on her Instagram... Angel, I was like, oh my gosh, I want it so bad. Of course I want the small. I never liked the Nano. I loved the look of the Nano, guys. Don't get me wrong. But the Nano to me, those not detachable. Okay, the way that you can't detach the straps, always there straps. No, ma'am. No, I can't deal with that. This is what we were asking for. They did it. It is an exciting freaking day. Oh my God. This might be why I'm sick. I'm just so freaking excited. Maybe my blood pressure shot up too far and now, you know, I'm having some real problems. But hey, I don't care. I love this. Here's the little scanny thing. I think it's got a, yes, it's got a little card in here that does this now. The textile cards have this because, you know, they took the date codes out, guys. And they put a little scanny thing in there so you don't see it. It's just in there. But now you've got your little thing. You can scan it and see when it was made and all that jazz. I like that. That's okay. But the interior. Red? You know, we only thought we got that on what? Damier Bean pieces. But now... Oh, and there were some others, but still, on the Speedy, not the brown canvas. Oh, clutching my purse. My kids say, do this. Like, you know, your mom did with her robe. She closed it and kind of went, yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. You young kids will get that. Oh. Oh, Billy. Whoa, Billy. This is a biggie. Okay, so this Needed a friend. Needed a friend. You've got a friend. Okay, guys, I am giddy with excitement. Let's try on the brand new bag charm on here and just see. Everything's coming together. Okay, so with this purchase, as we've been doing with all of my other bags this year, I've sold tons and tons, so we got to get rid of something. Something's got to go. If something comes in, something's got to go. I think I'm going to sell her. I'm going to sell, if you guys are interested in this little number, let me know. Remember, I had my artist friend who is an artist on bags. Don't use anybody unless they actually do bags. That's her medium. But anyway, I paid to have her redo this little bag for me. And now I haven't carried it once. It looks gorgeous. It looks amazing on my back wall, but I got to get something gone because we can't bring in and not take out. We got to. We got to. It's just getting crazy with bags in here, guys. So what do you guys think with the little too much? Little Sue song too much? Oh man. Here and now, I promise to love only you. I don't know if that's how the song goes. It's my wedding song, by the way. Luther Vandross. All right, guys. I'm not going to keep you today because I just wanted to quickly go into jangle, jingle, jangle into this. Yeah, and especially while people weren't in my house. He asked me every day, what'd you buy today? Nothing. What do you mean? I can't buy anything. So here we go. So yeah, everybody online is like, oh, that unboxes this. You can't adjust her. And I know she's gonna be high on me. But that's okay. I'm cool with that. I don't care. I don't even care. And if I want to, if I really want to, what will she do? She'll put a little extender or something on one side. I don't care. I am tickled friggin' like the strap pink. No, my little thing's not going to work in here unless I feed it through. So, yes, shouldering her is not going to be an issue. I mean, shouldering's, you know, she's good with the shouldering. Like, yeah, this is classically a shoulder strap. Crossbody, I mean, if you're a little tiny gal, yeah, you can get away with it, for sure. But I'll put an extender on. I don't care. I will do it. Doesn't bother me a bit. But listen, one of the other reasons that I just... for the obvious. I love everything about this little girl. I love it. One of the greatest things to me, you know, the corner zippers that go down, love that. The red interior, love that it's a bandolier with the little flower things here. What do they call those? I don't know. Yes, love, love, love. But this strap, I felt like, you know what? You can't even buy a strap like this for what, $575, $580, $600, up to like $1,200 they sell their straps. So I mean, I felt like, yes, it was a little excessive, a little expensive, but also you're getting this fabulous strap. If I was somebody that wanted to use like one of my other little straps on this, girl, nothing but a thing, chicken wing, we can go on and sell this. This is, it's a win-win. I am so excited right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this ain't gonna fly. But guys, ooh. Thank you guys for joining me today. This weekend, I'm not gonna put her down. I promise you, let me smell. The fresh smell of a new bag and vachetta in the morning. It's actually afternoon, but what do you know? You don't know that. It could be 9 a.m., guys. I'm very, very giddy and a little looped out on Benadryl. I'll just tell you. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day. I will be back here this weekend, I promise you, with my Coach mini haul. I'm going to reveal what Devin so graciously gave me for my birthday, which I am loving. And I am also going to show you an MCM piece. I've told you that for 2 weeks, but I am going to do it. I promise. Yeah, so she's tapped out. I'm done. I don't have until I sell some more. I don't have any. Yeah, the purse fund is dead. She's gone. She's gone. And listen, guys, if y'all see my husband though, seriously, I could not be more serious about this one. Do not tell him nothing. Bye. Oh yeah, and I meant to tell you guys, if you want to inquire about this little girl, I'll show it in another video, but email me and I'll send you pics and stuff, okay? WinnieBLV@gmail.com. Yeah. It's purse piece, bitch. Maybe. A girl can dream.